Today, we're diving into Boxcloud, a powerful cloud storage and collaboration platform used by businesses worldwide. Boxcloud allows users to securely store, share, and collaborate on files and documents, making it an essential tool for modern work environments. Throughout the course of this video, we'll be taking a look at Boxcloud's main features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternative options. Let's get going. Let's take a look at this program's main features. Secure file sharing. Boxcloud offers secure file sharing capabilities, allowing users to share files internally and externally with customizable access controls. Collaborative workspaces. With Boxcloud, users can create collaborative workspaces where teams can co-author documents, leave feedback, and track changes in real time. Integration with third-party apps. Seamlessly integrate Boxcloud with other productivity tools and apps such as Microsoft Office, Google Workspace, and Slack to streamline workflows. Mobile accessibility. Access your files and collaborate on the go with Boxcloud's mobile apps, available for iOS and Android devices. Advanced security features. Benefit from advanced security features like encryption, two-factor authentication, and data loss prevention to protect sensitive information. Content management. Organize and manage your files with ease using Boxcloud's intuitive content management features, including tagging, metadata, and version history. Boxcloud offers flexible pricing plans to accommodate businesses of all sizes. Plans start at $7 per month per user for the starter plan, $20 per user per month for the business plan, and custom pricing for enterprise plans tailored to specific business needs. Experience seamless collaboration and enhanced productivity with Boxcloud's user-friendly interface and intuitive features. From uploading and sharing files to collaborating on documents in real time, Boxcloud simplifies teamwork and fosters innovation. Boxcloud offers robust security features, seamless collaboration capabilities, integration with third-party apps, mobile accessibility, advanced content management, and scalable pricing options. However, some users may find the learning curve steep, especially when implementing advanced features, and the pricing may be higher compared to industry competitors. Looking for alternatives to Boxcloud? Consider cloud storage and collaboration platforms like Dropbox, Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, and Amazon Drive, each offering unique features and pricing options to suit different business needs. In conclusion, Boxcloud is a versatile cloud storage and collaboration platform that empowers teams to work smarter and more efficiently. With its comprehensive features, intuitive interface, and robust security, Boxcloud is a valuable asset for businesses looking to streamline their workflows and drive success. Sign up for Boxcloud today and take your collaboration to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe to Easy Internet for more tips and insights. Thank you for watching.